Right, in today's vlog, it's another food one that I'm really looking forward to and hoping it doesn't let me down. We're going to West End in Playa del Inglés, and I'm hoping for a really, really nice medium rare steak. So let's not waste any time. Let's get there. So I've had the medium rare rump steak with fries and peppercorn sauce. Kate's had the bolognese tagliatelle and the cheesy garlic bread. Really looking forward to it. This looks so good. I really cannot wait to take a look at this. Right. Oh, that looks amazing. Right, let's tuck into this. Oh man. Oh yeah. That's perfect.
Yeah.
I can see where this is going already. Trust me. Fries are dead nice and crispy as well. How's the garlic bread?
Really, really nice. Really nice.
What's the bolognese like?
Nice.
Oh man, just banging. Bit difficult to cut and not shake everything up.
Try your peppercorn sauce.
Try my peppercorn sauce. Yeah, Kate does struggle to say peppercorn sauce. Bless. Oh, just look at that. Oh man, it's beautiful. That is perfect steak.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna get the rest of this down me. Settle the bill. Think about scores outside. Right, so let's get into this. I'm not sure if I can find the words to describe how good that was. Wow. The steak was amazing. It was perfectly seasoned, perfectly cooked, so juicy and tender. It was a perfect cut of meat. No gristle, no fat on it whatsoever. Chips, nice and crispy, nice and fluffy. The garlic bread was full of flavour, really nice. And your spaghetti, tagliatelle?
Yeah, really nice.
Yeah.
Really enjoyed it.
Kate really enjoyed hers as well. I've got to say, it is the easiest 5 stars I'll ever give. It was easy 5 stars. 5 stars plus, in my opinion. And you gave it 5 stars from Kate. No way. Yeah, 5 stars from Kate. I think Kate said that the only way they could have made it better was if they'd given her more cheese, but she didn't ask for it. It's not their fault, they probably would have given it her anyway. So yeah, 5 stars from Kate as well. So just to give you a bit of information, the menu board outside is an old menu, so the prices have gone up slightly from that. It said £15 for my steak, €15 even, and it was actually $18.50, I think. Yeah, $18.50, and it is cash only. Excuse me. Yeah, cash only there, no card payments taken, and get there early because there were tables waiting. They are prepared to wait for such good food, I suppose. But yeah, that is all from us this week. Don't forget you can like and subscribe down there for absolutely free. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.